Hello everyone, welcome to my channel OZIQ. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about top 5 evergreen topics that never fails. Are you tired of scrambling through the YouTube streets in order to get topic ideas for your channel, for your niche? Have you been searching every day? You search for what topic should I create? What video should I make for the day? If you're in this category, then your search, this is the answer to your search. Because in this particular video, I am going to be giving you evergreen topics that they maintain their values even long after they have been, years after they have been published, they still have values because people come up to search for these topics every day. So what are these topics that we're talking about? Number one on our list is tutorials and how to do videos. Tutorials are something that people often come to internet to look for. They want to know, have a guide on how to do a particular thing, be it cooking, be it operating a particular thing. All you have to do is to create a video that solves that problem. Make sure the video you're creating solves a problem. You see people that are teaching people how to drive, how to I have seen a video of somebody that did years ago how to use washing machine. Yeah, somebody might be like, is it hard to use a washing machine that somebody is making a video on how to use washing machine? But the truth is that this video has actually gotten a lot of views and it maintains value even over the years. You see people that are teaching people how to drive, how to do this, how to cook, how to bake, how to sew some clothes, how to do this, how to do this. So if you can create a video that can solve this particular problem, I believe this video will last over the years and it will still maintain its value. Please, I would like you, after watching this video, tell me on the comment section what you would like me to do next, the type of topic you would like me to work on next. Then another one on our list is product review. Product review is a kind of video that even over the years, people comes to know which product A and B, which one is better than the other. Okay, let's assume you want to buy something from the market and you are confused on the particular type of thing you want to buy. You don't know if you should go for this particular brand or this particular brand. All you know is that they are all good, but you actually want to choose one. So people come on the internet, on the YouTube, to check which particular product is better than the other. So if you can do a product review, tell people what are the reasons why you think this product is better than the other product. This kind of video maintains their value over the year, even long after they have been produced, years after they have been produced. They maintain their videos, their values. So this is a good topic. If you can do it, then it's a nice topic for you. Then do you know that you can actually review like tech gadgets? Yes, I mean tech gadgets. Like, for instance, the phones, people review phones. People review other gadgets. They will tell you why phone A is better than phone B, or the features in so phone that makes so phone better than the other. It can even be services. Do you understand? So if you can make videos on this particular type of thing, you are good to go. Then another one on our list is life advice and self-improvement. Life advice and self-improvement is something, it is something that almost everybody wants to improve their lifestyle. They want to improve themselves. They want to improve, they want to improve in everything they are doing about their life. It can be it can be mental health tips, it can be productivity tips. You can even be teaching it through your own personal experience. You can see people that teaches hacks. Hacks are things that you can, instead of going through the other way, you've done it through this. So example of this particular one that we have just talked about is, you can decide to be teaching people, like you can do topic like 5 morning habits that will change your life for good. You tell them your morning routine, what you do that can change their life for good. A lot of people, I promise you, a lot of people will learn from that. If there are some things people are doing wrong and they thought they are doing right, from that video, they are going to learn that particular thing and change. So example of this particular self and life improvement and advice that we're talking about is, you can be telling people 5 morning habits that will change their life for good. Yes, many people will learn from it. There are things people thought they are doing right, but they are not doing it the right way. They can learn from people that knows better. And from your video, they can actually learn what they are meant to do and what they are not meant to do. So I don't know if you have, I want to know, I want to know on the comment section. Tell me your own particular life or self-improvement tips, because we may be learning from you. Yes, we are all teacher at this point. Everybody is just teacher at this point. So I would like you to drop your own on the comment section. Let other people learn. Let this thing be a discussion class, not like I am teaching you people, but let it be a discussion class. Let's learn from each other. Then another one on our list is health and fitness tips. Yes, health and fitness tips. What are the health tips that you know you want to teach people? You can make a video on this. Tell people what they can do in order to improve their health, in order to stay healthy, in order to be okay. If there are tips you know, then why not make a video on it? You can use this as a topic, as a YouTube topic, make video on it and put it on the internet. I promise you this video will still and make value and still have values over the years. Because one thing is sure, people come to search for this. Some comes on the internet to search for how to, the workout they will do to slim down. Some are coming to search for what they will eat to stay healthy. Some are coming to search for the type of gym, yoga they are going to do in order to stay healthy. So why not use that opportunity, create videos on it, and I promise you it stays evergreen. So let me tell you example. 10 minutes full body workout for beginners. Yes, this is not based on you are big or small or whatever. This is just something normal person do in order to stay fit and healthy. Then what about how to build a healthy eating habit for life? There are people that they actually want to change their eating habit, but they don't know what to do on how to go about it. But with this thing, this your video, they come online to check and see this your video and they are okay. They will know what to do in order to save their life. So tell me, what are the fitness tips you know or you're already doing? Tell me what you do to keep yourself fit. Tell me the kind of meals you take in order to, some people takes a particular type of meal in the morning, a particular type of meal in the afternoon, a particular type of meal in the night. So tell me your own routine. Let's discuss and learn from each other. So another one on our list is all these ranking videos, top 10 list, top 10 this, top 50 this, top this, ranking, comparative videos. So these are the this kind of video stays evergreen. People love ranking, top 10 list, because they love comparison. They want, and if you are still on this channel up to this moment, thank you for being here. Please, I would love you to subscribe to this channel,